Are you tired of spending hours recording short form video content only to realize that you only manage to get 2 videos completed? Well, worry no more. I'm going to share with you 7 tips that will help you take your short form video content to the next level, whether you're creating content for TikTok, Reels, or any other platform. These tips will help you save time, increase engagement, and create content that your audience will love. So get ready to take some notes, guys, because you won't want to miss these game-changing tips, especially tip number 4. Okay? So guys, this strategy I call my pillar video repurposing strategy. Okay, so basically you need to plan your content and plan exactly what you would like to record. Okay, for example, in my business, my jewelry business, I may say, okay, I want to create short videos with all my bracelets or all my rings or all my earrings. All right. And that is what I usually do, just to keep things very simple. It makes no sense complicating social media because there's already a ton of things happening out there in the social media world. But if you're advertising your product, my suggestion is to keep it simple. Okay. And my next point is I then will make one long video. And when I say long video, I'm not talking about a long YouTube video like what you're watching. I'm talking about like a minute or so, right? Or 2, right? Or a minute and a half, right? Where I just set up my camera and I record everything at once. So for example, if you're doing digital products, you may want to talk about different benefits that your one digital product can offer to someone, okay? Or different uses of a digital product. For my jewelry, I will want to probably talk about, as I said, all my bracelets, or I may want to talk about all my earrings, or I can say, okay, I want to focus on my huggy earrings, or I can focus on rings, or just adult rings or rings for kids. You see where I'm coming with that? So when you segment it like that, it makes it easier, so much easier to create your short form video, guys. So you will have to, as I said, planning is the main thing. Then you record. So after recording my one long video, right, I will take that video, guys, and I will post it as is. I will not do any editing. I will not do any cutting or anything like that. I will post that video as is. Yes, it sounds scary, but it works, because when you record something and just simply talk about the benefit of the item, of course you will show the item, you will show them what you're talking about. For example, I will insert my video where I actually my face is not even in the video. Basically, what I do is show the bracelet I'm talking about. I just keep it simple and straight to the point, and I post that minute video exactly like, exactly the way it is, without adding any music, I would add some text, let them know what they're looking at. But I will not add any fancy edit or anything like that. Okay. The next point, right? That is where we get a bit dicey. That's where things get a bit, fancy. All right. Okay. So the next point, guys, I will take that pillar video. I call it my pillar video. So that main video I recorded, I will take that and chop it up in pieces. Okay, so remember I told you to record your video, right? And you talk about the benefits or the uses. Okay, so basically I will take that and chop each benefit out as a separate video, or chop each jewelry out as a separate video. Okay, so that alone can give you 3, 4, 5, or 6 videos, or how many benefit that product may have, So if the product has 6 benefits, the video, it will give you 6 videos. See where I'm going with this, guys? Okay, do you see where I'm going with this? All right. So now that you have your 6 pieces of videos or 7 pieces of videos well chopped up, right? I will also include my video of, well, one video that I did, the same, the pillar video that I use. I will include a video showing you how I executed this strategy, okay? So you can see it. But basically, after that, you will take each little clip, right? And you can either post it right now, or you can post it right away, or you can schedule that on several platforms. Of course, you'll have to choose which platform is your main platform, because I would basically create on TikTok and use that as reels on Facebook and Instagram, and as well as my WhatsApp status. Okay, now I'm getting into Pinterest, so I'll also post that on Pinterest as well. But what I usually do is add trendy music to each little video segment. Okay, for example, if I talk about baby bracelets, I will cut that up. Oh, this is the baby bracelet I'm talking about, and blah, 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 blah. This is the adult bracelet, and the adult bracelet is a stainless steel bracelet, and you can insert, customize it, etc. This is the woman bracelet. Do you see where I'm coming with that? Do you see where I'm going with that? So all I did is sat down and did one recording, and I just spoke, simply talk about the product. As I said, guys, short video editing or short video content creation is simple. You just have to keep it simple. Don't worry with all the razzle dazzle that you're seeing out there. Keep it simple and you will get your sale. All right. So next, guys, you'll want to save your video clips. You want to save the short videos that you took apart. And you'll also want to save your the pillar video, the main video that you created. Okay. And I will talk about at the end how you can use these videos again. Right? Of course, the next part is you repurpose your videos on any platform, right, that you choose. So if Instagram is the main platform, you repurpose on TikTok. If TikTok is the main platform, you repurpose on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, wherever, right? Wherever you want to put your short form video, you post it there. You know, stop giving yourself too much work. Right? Because we all know that social media can be a lot of work. So guys, here's my little secret tip, right? My little bonus. I didn't mention a bonus at the start, but I should have. Anyway, so I use these short form videos in my FAQs. So basically, when persons ask me questions, or if they want to know about baby bracelets, if they want to see more in the product, I will send them the short videos. And guys, well, you'll have to know your customers, because my customers will be like, oh, can I see what bracelets you have? Or can I see what earrings you have? Can I see this? Can I see that? And all I have to do is press the send button. Here's a bracelet, here's the rings, here's a, you know what? Here's a short video of my baby bracelet. Simple. And it works, guys. So it doesn't make sense creating these videos and just leave it there. Put it somewhere, repurpose it somewhere as FAQs. If person asks a question, save it somewhere where you can easily send that video to the person. Okay? Even for your services, that can be used for digital products, can be used for printables or anything. Create a video. All right? It's easy to create a video and answer these questions. Most persons have the FAQ written. Create videos, short videos, and just leave it there, put it there for persons to, get their questions answered. And trust me, when they see that video, it makes selling a lot easier. Okay? They buy faster. And this is no joke. They buy faster. All right. So guys, let me know down below if you will be trying my pillar video repurposing strategy in your when you are creating your short video, guys. Let me know down below which of these strategies you will be using, if you'll be using one or all of these. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and start creating videos today, I have a bonus for you. I have created 50, yes, 50 video starter hooks that you can download and start creating videos immediately. So guys, the link is below. Go down and download the starter hooks and start using it to create content for your business today.